my lovely beading friends. It's Gina from Orchid and Opal Jewelry and Beads, and I'm excited to bring you the June 2018 BeadCrate. And this is the collector's edition, which is the larger version. They have the enthusiast and they have the collector, and the collector is the larger of the two. It's as low as $31 per month depending on how long you sign up for, and the enthusiast is as low as $18 a month depending on how long you sign up for. So two different options depending on what your preference is, how much you think you'll use, how much you want to spend and whatnot. And I'm opening this up for the first time with you guys on camera, so I have no idea what is in this box. So let's find out. We got a note right here, which has our diagram on the back as well. Let's see what we have. Alphonse Mucha, and I hope I'm pronouncing that properly. The name may not ring a bell, but his art definitely will. One of the key artists of the Art Nouveau movement, Mucha was known for his densely patterned commercial posters, which epitomize the Art Nouveau interest in natural forms and decoration. This box was inspired by his work and the colors of the Art Nouveau movement. Oh, awesome. Art Nouveau, that is going to be very cool. I cannot wait to see what direction they go with this box, but I am sure it's going to be amazing. This is the third BeadCrate box that I've received. I have loved everything they have sent so far, so very excited to see what is in this June box. Alright. Oh my gosh. Seeing some beautiful things. Okay, let's see what our list says. Quite a few things in this box. I'm going to save this bag. Alright, so the first item, selection A, is 10mm Halo Skye antique cut round Czech glass. And if you just bear with me for one moment, I am putting these in a place where I will be able to reach them better. So this is selection A. Oh my goodness, how beautiful. Halo Skye antique cut rounds, 10mm, 8 beads. Holy cow. Look at the finish on these. Is that not gorgeous? I mean, what a cool shape, and the gold finish, it's almost like it's been dusted with gold. And it's like a deep, kind of a, how to describe it, smoky aqua color. With the gold, slightly gold finish. Those are beautiful. Oh my, I'm gonna have to do something special with those. I love them. And I'm now going to have to seek them out in other colors, because that's what I do. Alright. Awesome. Well, I love it already. You can just pack it up now. Just kidding. Alright, selection B. 6mm Amethyst antique style Octagons. Where are we? B. There's P. Here we go. Selection B. Oh my gosh, those are awesome. Amethyst antique style Octagons. Whoa, those are unique. BeadCrate has been sending amazing Czech glass beads. I love Czech glass. I love them. And what's cool is they keep sending some really unique types, finishes, cuts, shapes, whatever you want to call them. But awesome selection of things that I haven't worked with before. And I've been having a blast. It's really helped me creatively, which is why I love these boxes. But the colors on this is fantastic. I mean, it's the amethyst in the middle, and then on the edges it's got this really cool Almost like a little travertine type finish on the edges. I mean, each of these is like a little work of art. That's beautiful. All right. I'm trying to move it along, guys. I'm so sorry. I'm like having too much fun here looking at these two things already. All right. So next, moving right along, we have Selection C, Siam Ruby Vega Tulips, 8x12, Czech glass, 25 beads. Oh yeah, I love the tulips. These feel like little candies. Super glossy, beautiful red, really cute shape. I can see why they would put all of these so far in an Art Nouveau-esque box. Love it. Alright. Selection D. 11-0 Toho Opaque Light Beige Japanese Glass. We have 16 grams. Very cool. Great neutral. Light beige. Perfect. I don't have light beige. I've got, you know, different whites, clears, you know, metallics, that kind of thing, but a light beige I do not have. So, glad to have it. And Toho, great quality. Alright, Selection E, 28x19, Vintage Filigree Fans, USA Brass, 4 pieces. Here we go. Oh my goodness. How awesome are these? These definitely scream Art Nouveau. Wow. I love getting connectors. They really add a nice detail to pieces, something special. They give it that extra something that a piece sometimes needs to bring it up to the next level. These would make some beautiful earrings or beautiful connectors on a necklace. That's awesome. This is a fairy flight connector. Very interesting. That definitely looks Art Nouveau to me. Not my style to wear, but I think it's really cool. And I think a lot of people, you know, would like it. It's very unique. Good quality. Doesn't have a back. I would love for it to have a back, but that's alright. That's pretty cool. Then we have Selection G, which is 5mm clear Capri Gold pinch beads. Ooh, I love pinch beads. Where are we? G. Oh my gosh. Gorgeous. These are stunning. So I'm just looking at this again. So these are 5mm Capri Gold pinch beads. Wow. So beautiful. So like half of them is kind of clear and half of them has the Capri Gold. Wow. So beautiful. Here's a nice little close-up for you. Okay. Selection H, 3mm saturated metallic natural gray fire polished Czech glass. Okay. Selection H. Here we go. Oh, those are nice. These are definitely like a blue-gray, like a steel blue. Gorgeous. Love adding to my fire polish collection. There's so much you can do with these. And I do not have a color like this. It's beautiful. Okay. And then selection I is Beadsmith necklace memory wire. Oh, neat. So I had some bracelet memory wire that I used up, and I have not had any necklace memory wire. So that's awesome. Gold memory wire, gold plated. Yep, so they not only send you beads, but they send you findings like connectors, cord, chain, you know, anything you might need to make jewelry. So you never know what you're going to get, but chances are it's going to be awesome. Alright, so then selection J, 4mm metal luster crystal fire polish Czech glass. Say that 5 times fast. Okay, J, here it is. Metal luster. Oh my gosh. Close up on that. Beautiful. It almost reminds me of like a matte finish, but with like an AB as well, but it's just slightly different. Very cool. Then we have selection K, 6x8mm Rosaline Bellflowers, 25 beads. Okay, and that's these beauties. Wow, very pretty. Very light pink clear. Gorgeous little flowers. So beautiful. I've had some ideas for earrings using this shape, so hopefully I can get to that in the near future. Love the bellflowers. I'm always very impressed by what BeadCrate sends. They do an amazing job choosing the selection that they do, putting that all together. Alright, then we have selection L, 6mm Milky Topaz Fire Polish, 25 beads. Cool. So 6mm Topaz Fire Polish. I don't have much in the way of 6mm fire polish. This is beautiful. Milky topaz, and it definitely looks like milky topaz. It's stunning. Alright. Then 6x9 Peridot AB Teardrops. Also Czech glass, and there's 25. Which is these right here. Gorgeous. Check out the shimmer on these bad boys or girls. Wow. So not only are they Peridot beautiful green, but looks like you're getting a good view on that AB finish as well. Seeing all the light play on it, which is very cool on this nice rounded teardrop shape. Really shows that off. I like it a lot. Okay, we got about 3 more items left. And our next one is N 40mm vintage grand kaleidoscope filigree round USA brass 1 charm. That would make an amazing focal. I could see doing a bracelet with this for sure. You know, obviously you could do a necklace as well. There's a lot of things you can do because it's got so many different sections and segments. That's really neat. Cool. That'll get my brain working. Okay. So selection O, is the 3mm white glass pearls, and there's 150, and you gotta have pearls when you're talking Art Nouveau. Beautiful. Classic to have on hand are some glass pearls. Nice little baby ones. Alright, and the final item of our June box. Oh my gosh, those are gorgeous. 9mm Alexandrite Fluted Fire Polish Czech glass, 25 beads. This is selection P. Oh, gorgeous purple. Gorgeous. Check out the shape of these. Check out all the facets. Stunning. I mean, really, you know, the box's theme is Art Nouveau, and they definitely did an amazing job coming up with beads to fit that theme. At the same time, so many of these beads themselves are a work of art, just on their own. I wanted to get a nice close-up on those. Wow. So those are definitely at the very top of my list as far as favorites from the box. These purple ones. And then probably, if I'm going with the top three, and it's really hard, because I love everything in this box, but these are probably my next two favorites. They're all tied for first place, I think. So those Halo Skye antique cut rounds with that gold dusting look to them, and then these Amethyst antique style Octagons. Ugh, amazing. Amazing. So that does it, guys. Another month down, another BeadCrate opened. Thanks again for being with me, sharing the excitement of opening this box. I'd love to hear from you. I'd love to hear what you thought. Please feel free to leave me a comment. I respond to every single one of them. And just so you know, just trying to let everybody know that I am planning to do a giveaway when I reach 1,000 subscribers. And it will include some of the beads that you've seen in my previous unboxing videos and the ones going forward. So stay tuned for that. If you're not a subscriber, I'd love to have you. I do lots of these unboxings and plan to continue. I'm having so much fun. You guys are amazing. So thanks for being with me. Well, I hope you all have a great day, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye-bye. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. I would also love for you to follow me on Instagram, Pinterest, Facebook, and Etsy. Orchid and Opal Jewelry. Thanks for watching!